Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all we have to open the keyboard, so let's get into the messages. And here we've got the keyboard. In order to change the language, let's tap on the settings icon right here. Here we've got the languages on the very first position, so tap on it. And as you can see, here we've got only English applied. If we want to add a new keyboard, let's click on Add a Keyboard. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of languages which we can use. So let me pick something, maybe for example, maybe Arabic. And here we've got also some options, some regions. Let me pick the first one. Click on Done if you are ready. And as you can see here, we've got the Arabic added. Let's get back and check. Here, after opening the keyboard, as you can see, we've got the new icon. And after tapping on this, we can switch through languages. So here we've got our Arabic applied and we can easily type in this language. In order to remove it, if you do not need it, simply let's get back to the settings, click on the languages, and let's click on this edit icon. Let's take the one you want to remove and click on delete icon again. As you can see, now we've got only English applied. Let's get back, and we do not have the world icon, so we cannot switch through the languages. So that's all. This is how to change the keyboard language in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.